and welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, hello, my name is Arati and you are heartily welcome to my channel. By the title, you already know what I'm going to do today. Today, I'm going to unbox my ring light, which I have ordered from Amazon. So, further than ado, let's get started. I'm so excited for this video because this is my first ring light and first unboxing video. Make a wall video is the unboxing video is same or not? Let's open it together. This is the brand from Neewer. I have listened that this is very good brand, so I go into it. I have inside the box. I got this bag and this box. First, I will open this box and I will go to next to this one. This is the stand and maybe it go like this. And I will open another box. What we have in this bag? I have got another box inside. Let's open this box. Here I have got all the information, catalog, and one switch, another switch, ring light. Ring light cover, light cover, one in white color and another in red color. And we have this, and we have one remote. Can get I can get ring light. This is the ring light. मेरो अनुहार भन्दा नि ठुलो छ. This is the ring light. Finally, I get it. Okay. I will read some of the instruction and I will try to fix it. Oh, first I will try to fix this stand. This is the way. Then यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा सानो होल छ, त्यो होलमा चाहिँ म इन्सर्ट गर्छु. I have finished fixing this ring light. I have connected everything. Now I have two things to connect now. Finally, I have fixed this ring light. Now I am filming this video in front of the sunlight. So I will close the window, door, and my light of the room. Then we will see how it will work. This is the video without ring light and sunlight. You can see how dark it is. And I will show you with the ring light now. And this is the video with light. I'm pretty happy with this ring light. I will show you. This is the this is the dimmest part of the light, and this is the highest power of the light of this ring light, and I'm pretty happy. Just comment down below if you like this ring light or not. If you want to suggest me other any ring light, then also you can comment down below. I will leave link in the description below so you can check it out if you like it. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Gonna be like this, and don't forget to comment down below if you like this video or not, and if you want to suggest me any other video or on the other ring light to try out. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye bye.